Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a couple months since I started working on this little project. That is to try and make a fully customizable dowel jig. One that I can adjust to, well, basically any kind of circumstances where I might want to put a dowel peg. And to this point, I have tried a few things out. I made the brass inserts that act as the drill bit guides, and they're really working well. I'm very happy with them. They wear way less than the aluminum. They are holding the drill bit quite nicely, nice and snug. And because they're a little bit longer, they're actually guiding the drill bit quite well, and I'm very happy with that. I tested it with a 45-degree miter. It was in part of the strength test I did, and the input holes and output holes matched up really well, and like I said, I was very happy with all that. The thing I'm at now, what I'm doing here actually, is I'm putting together just a quick jig because I want to put together a new medicine cabinet for my downstairs bathroom. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting this together, and I'm deciding whether or not it's better to make one that's completely adjustable, or is it just far quicker because it doesn't take as much planning to just put together one I need for a given circumstance. So this is what I'm doing here. As I'm putting together one here, I want to see how long does it take. Is it worth, like I said, going to all the extra trouble to make one that I can just move around, or just knock off one that I need. So this took, well, it took a little longer than what you're going to see here, because I first started off in the original clip you're going to see here in a second. I made one out of pine. Obviously soft wood, easy to work with, shouldn't take too long to put together, and it didn't. But here's a small problem. That is very wobbly, and it shouldn't be that wobbly. It should fit properly, but for some reason it didn't come out proper. And this is oak, and as you can see, the oak holds it much better, and it's much more solid. And that's kind of important because, well, I mean, it has to be held properly. If it's just going to wobble around, it is not doing its job. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take that cross piece off there, and I'm going to put the oak one on, and I'm going to proceed with doing this. So what happened is this took, if I ignore the pine part, I decided I'm just going to make these out of oak. It took maybe 20 minutes to make this. Now it's going to take obviously far longer to make one that's completely adjustable. At this point, don't think it's really worth the effort. I really do, like I said, I really do like the brass inserts, and they are going to give me a nice adjustable process for making whatever I want, and I think that's going to be sufficient. Because I'm not, like, the problem when you're trying to plan for something you're not even aware of what it's going to be yet, the adjustable concept there has to be really, really, excessive. So as you see here, this is nice and square. I decided to test out my other adjustable square to make sure they're both the same, and that was actually pretty good. I was glad that I did that. So you can see here, I've swapped the clamp around the other way because the handle was in the way, and the only other thing I'm doing differently than with the pine is I am going to put in these screws here. As you can see, have a flat head on the top of them. So they're not going to compress the wood. They're just going to sit on top and hold it in place. And they hold it much more securely. And yeah, there you go. That's very, very straightforward. I'm going to double check here, of course. And then I put in the last of the screws. And like I said, this is very, very quick. And I think going forward, this is my approach. Because like I said, these guides are very easy to put together. And this one itself might actually be usable in a number of different circumstances. So we'll keep testing this out. Here it is. This is the simple sides for the medicine cabinet, and this is, like I said, this is very simple to use. I just hold my thumbnail against there, and the only reason for doing that is a little bit of additional wood chips sometimes can build up, because this is a really tight fit still. It's like it's brand new. So anyway, leave comments, let me know what you think about all this, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.